Hello, garden buddies. Welcome. So right here is where, in this large container right here, I have my sweet alyssum growing. And if you watch my other video, I said I had to get rid of it because they were causing these bugs, stinker bugs. So I took all like the new growth that was growing here and the big that was growing here. I had some growing here and some in that pot way over there. And then I start planting new things. I threw a sunflower in there, so I'm 99% sure that's a sunflower. And right here, these little growing things right here, I have them everywhere. I'm not sure if the sweet alyssum seeds fell, because right here I had new growth sweet alyssum growing from the seeds that were falling, that were growing here that fell like, blue over here, whatever. So I'm not too sure what this is. It seems to be growing slightly different than how the sweet alyssums were growing when they started to grow. So we'll see in a week or so what is growing, maybe 2 weeks, I don't know. But I'm sure this is a sunflower, and we're gonna check on the other sunflower. Oh, right there. Like I said, I don't know what I planted there. And we got sunflower there. So, and sweet sunflower right there. Thanks, Cupcake. Her tail was all in the way. And sweet sunflower right there. And I do believe another sunflower. Is there anything you want to say, Cupcake? Do you like? Are you checking on the plants? Let's see if we had any growth over here. I know I threw some seeds in here, but I don't see any sprouts so far. So, and I know I threw something over here. I don't see no sprouts. So yeah, this is where the stinker bugs were really focused up in this area. Got rid of the sweet alyssum that was growing in this big pot, and I'm keeping my coneflower. I think I destroyed some of the leaves when I was spraying vinegar and water, so looks like it might need some water. Uprooted the old coneflower roots that grew like 5 feet. And here, the other day, yep, there's another sprout, a few more sprouts growing. So I don't know if that's, what is that? I wonder. Is it sweet alyssum? Because those seeds get everywhere. So we'll see. Like I said, I will get rid of them. They're such a beautiful flower, but I'm going to get rid of them. So let's see if we got anything growing over here, because that's where the main sweet alyssum was growing. I don't see any growth. But let's check out this pot again. So weird. What could be growing in this pot? I didn't plant anything in here because I wanted the sunflower to have its own space. Interesting. We shall see. Okay. And then check out the yellow sunflower. Isn't that a beaut? Beautiful. She is going to be lovely. I can't wait. Look at the petal. It's so soft and pretty. Okay. That's it. Okay, thank you, garden friends. Any tips, advice, comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me about how your fall garden is going. Okay, thank you. Bye.